Hello students, this is factors and multiples of chapter 2. Do you remember factors and multiples? Let's recall them once again. Factors and multiples. See, when a number divides another number exactly, then the divisor is called a factor of the dividend and the dividend is called a multiple of the divisor. See, 15 divided by 5. It means 5 divides 15 exactly. Here 5 is a factor of 15 and 15 is a multiple of 5. Or more clear, multiples means for getting multiples of a number, we recite the multiplication table of that number. For example, multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16. So it means 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, like this. Okay, and factors, a factor of a number that divides the number exactly. It means factor of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Before going to tell about prime number, everybody you know 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. So, prime number, a number which has only two different factors, 1 and the number itself is called a prime number. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 like this, these are the prime numbers. Composite number, a number which has more than two different factors. More than two different factors is called composite numbers. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9 like this. Then, twin prime number. See, what is twin prime number? Two prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin prime numbers. For example, 3 and 5, two prime numbers. See, 3 and 5 are two prime numbers and its difference is 2. And see, 41 and 43. 41 is also a prime number. 43 is also another prime number. What is its difference? Difference is 2. That's why 3 and 5 are two twin prime numbers. 41 and 43 are also twin prime number. Then co-prime. Two numbers are said to be co-prime when they have only one edge common factor. See, one edge common factor. Any two number. Okay, 3 and 5. Suppose we take 3 and 5. What is its common factor? Its common factor is 1 and 19 and 20. What are the common factor of 19 and 20? It's also answer is 1. That's why 3 and 5 are co-prime. 19 and 20 are also co-prime. See, some note I have written here. The smallest prime number. What is the smallest prime number? Here you see 2 is the smallest prime number and it is the only even prime number also. Okay. Then 1 is neither prime nor composite because neither prime means prime number it has two different factors, 1 and the number itself, but in case of 1 only 1 is one factor. Okay, that's why 1 is neither prime nor composite. The smallest composite number is 4. The smallest odd composite number is 9. Now you have to remember all these definitions: factors and multiples, prime numbers, composite numbers, twin prime number, co-prime, and note. You have to remember all these. See in worksheet 1. Fill in the following blanks. Numbers which has more than two different factors are called composite numbers. Numbers which are not divisible by any other number except 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. 1 is neither dash nor composite, neither prime. 6 is a composite number as it has dash factors. 4 factors, what are these 4? 1, 2, 3 and 6. Dash is the only even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. The smallest prime number is what? 2. Like this you have to fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Okay. Or the question number 2. Are the following numbers prime or composite? So by finding the factor. See 9. First number is 9. You have to show the number is prime or composite. You have to find out the factors. See 9. 9 in multiplication table I have written here 1 into 9 equal to 9. 3 into 3 equal to 9. Or there is no other factor. See factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. So 9 is a composite or prime? It is a composite number because more than 2 different factors are there. Like this. In F 101 has given question. The 101. See what are the factors of 101? 1 into 101 equal to 101. There are no other factors. See the factors of 101 are 1, 101. So as it contain only 2 factors. It means 1 and the number itself. So 101 is a prime number. Like this you have to do B, C, D, E. Then see question number 3. Write down the first 10 prime numbers. First 10 prime numbers. See starting from number first 10 prime number. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Then 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 10. You have to write 10 prime numbers. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. See in question number 4. Write down all the prime numbers between 50 to 110. Between 50 and 110. See I have written here all prime numbers between 50 to 110 are 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97, 101, 103, 107, 109. Okay. Then in question number 5, a number lies between 2000 and 2070 and has 5 in its ones place. Is it a prime or composite number? Give reasons. See a number lies between 2000 and 2070 and 5 is ones place number. See I have written the numbers in between 2000 and 2070 and ones place digit should be 5. 2005, 2015, 2025, 2035, 45, 2055, 2065. See these are the ones place digit as 5. Then tell me these are composite or prime numbers? These are all composite numbers. Why? Because they have more than 2 different factors. You have to show. Okay? Because it can be divided by 5 because ones place digit is 5 and the number more than 2 factors. Now this is test of divisibility. See first one is divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its ones place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. It means in any number if you see its ones place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then these numbers are divisible by 2. See for example 368, 490, 48, 22. See ones place digit here 8, then 0, then 2. These are all the ones place digit which I have told already. These are due to this is divisible by 2. Okay. Then divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the digit at ones place is 0 or 5. Say if it's in any number, if its ones place digit is 0 or 5, then the big number is divisible by 5. For example 8955. Here you see this is ones place digit and 6320 this is ones place digit. That's why these two numbers are divisible by 5. Then divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the digit at ones place is 0. See 10,240, 1,390. Here ones place 0. digit is 0. So these numbers are divisible by 10. Now divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its digits at tens and ones place is divisible by 4. Suppose if I will take one example like this. This is a big number I have taken. But you have to see first ones place digit is 4 and tens place digit is 8. You have take this number, it means 84. If 84 is divided by 4, then the whole big number, this one is divisible by 4. I think everybody understood. Okay, see, then divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the digit at hundreds, tens and ones place is divisible by 8. Suppose 64,280. See, here ones place, tens place and hundred place. You have to take these three digits. It means 280. If 280 is divided by 8, then the big number or the whole number is divisible by 8. See, there is some note I have written. If a number has zeros in its tens and ones place, it is divisible by 4. It means last two zeros. It means tens place 0 and ones place also 0. Then it is divisible by 4. If a number has zeros in its hundreds, tens and ones place, then it is divisible by 8. Okay. For example, you see 2500 या फिर 2500 divided by 4, it is divisible by 4. Okay, yes, and that is 34,000, it's divisible by 8. Here 3 zeros, here is 2 zeros. Okay, now we will do worksheet 2. See, look at the following numbers and fill in the blanks. 435, 6,552, 988, 3,870, 5,211, 9,343. The numbers that are divisible by 2 are, you have to use the divisibility rule. First you all remember the divisibility rule. Okay, then putting this divisibility rule, you have to write these answers. Here you see divisible by 2. Already I have told it is divisible by 2 if its ones place digits are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. You see here in case 6,552, it is also divisible by 2. 988, why? This ones place digit is 8, this ones place digit is 2, here 0, these 3. Okay, I have written here the answer. See, the numbers that are divisible by 2 are 6,552, 988, 3,870. Like this, you have to do these questions. I think in B you see 3,522, 9,765, 45,012 and 28,775. The numbers that are divisible by 5. Already I have told if ones place digit are 0 and 5. See, here ones place digit are 0 or 5. Here in this case 1,000 and this. You have to write the answers 9,765, 1,000 and 28,775. Okay, like this you have to do. In question number 2, apply the divisibility rule and say and show that. See, first you have to apply the divisibility rule. What you have to write? Here 4,32,566 is divisible by 2. Yes, why? Because as ones place digit is 6, so this number is divisible by 2. Then you have to show the division. Okay, this is the question. You have to write. In B, I have done here 3,52,115 is divisible by 5. Any number which ends with 0 or 5 is divisible by 5. Or you can write ones place digit. ones place digit is with 0 and 5 is divisible by 5. You have to write the rule and then you have to show the division. Okay, that is the answer. You have to do like this. Okay, this is all about the worksheet 1 and 2. This is your homework. Complete worksheet 1 and 2. Okay, thank you children.